One of the smart things you can do, you say in the book, is to raise the deductible on your insurance. I know why it's a good idea. Psychologically, why is that advantageous?
Well, in behavioral economics, behavioral finance, there's this idea called the availability bias. The availability bias basically says we make judgments about the world based on the most available information. And oftentimes, in today's modern world, the most available information is actually rare, and that's why it's so available, meaning something bad happens and people talk about it because it is extraordinary. And so in general, what people do in order to when they're making insurance decisions is to sort of overestimate the likelihood that something bad is going to happen to them. Because when somebody's house does get robbed, they keep talking about it. And you hear about it on your block, or you hear about it from friends. When somebody gets into a car accident, or when somebody gets, a significant illness, everybody talks about it, and you think it's more common, so you think it's going to happen to you more frequently, and you have very low deductibles in your insurance. And as a result, you're actually paying higher premiums than you need to because you're overly worried that something's going to happen to you. So what we like to recommend is for people to sort of actually have higher deductibles. They're going to save money, take half of that money and put it away to save, and the other half spend as you want. Two things come from that. One is you will be saving, self-insuring. You will be putting money away for bad events, but more than likely they're not going to happen to you, and so all of a sudden you're going to end up with an extra $1,000, an extra $2,000, an extra $10,000 that you thought you were going to have to use in case you got robbed or in case you got into a car accident. Turns out that didn't happen. Now you have a pot of money that you can do with what you want. And again, maybe save some of it for the long term. Let some of it be the money that you spend in Las Vegas or that you buy a new coat with.